Hello everybody, this is my first design package from Beebeecraft for 2024, and I just want to wish everybody a very happy new year. I hope they had a safe new year, and whatever they did, I hope they just really enjoyed themselves. I did forget to say that in my last video. So happy new year to everybody. So the first thing that I received from Beebeecraft, and for those that don't know, Beebeecraft is an online store that has a huge variety of craft items, beading items, but also craft items. So I'll put a link to the store in the description box below, and they send me a package every month with a few items, and I make 2 projects with those items for them. And I have always been very happy with what I've received. The first thing I got this time around are some alloy handbag feet. They're like nail heads. There's 120 pieces, and there are 3 different colours apparently. Are there 3? And these, just in case you didn't know, they're like a big brad, and you place them at the bottom of your bag or box, whatever you're making, and it protects the bottom. It sits on the floor rather than the bag, the handbag or the box or whatever, sitting directly on the surface. So very useful if you're going to be making purses or handbags and things like that, or even tote bags, you know, because they can get quite dirty underneath if you're not careful. So that's the first thing I got this month. The second thing I got were these paper quilting templates. These are English paper piecing pieces. You can use them for patchwork, for slow stitching, and you get 6 different sizes. 6 different sizes, and you get 100 of each size. So overall you get 600 pieces in the set. So look, this is the smallest one here. It's so tiny. From across it is 5/8 across of an inch. 5/8 of an inch across. What's that in centimetres? That is 1.5 centimetres across. So they start very, very small and work their way up to being 2 inches. So I will take this size out and have a look. So they're a paper template, not too flimsy, but soft enough to make them easy enough to remove from your hexagon once you've stitched it. So that will come in very useful, saves me having to cut them out, and they will be fun to play with. And it's nice to have them in all these different sizes as well. So that was the second thing that I received. I'll pop those over there. Those little ones are tiny, aren't they? The third thing I got was, let me just move those to the side over there and give myself some room. The next thing that I got, and it's from N Beads, and it's a 10-piece ironing tool ruler set, and it includes It includes, yes it does, it includes 2 soft tape measures. They have centimetres on one side and inches on the other. They're rather nice, aren't they? They've got actually that little bit of a retro vibe to them. Like I have this one, it gives me that vibe. So I like that a lot, and there's 2 of those, so that's nice. And they're not paper, they're coated fabric by the feel of it. So I've got 2 of those. I also got the hemming clips, and these are stainless steel. They go up to, I'd say, 3.5 inches, and that's for measuring hems on things when you're doing your clothing stitching. And I also got these, and these look wonderful. Oh, look at that. That is true. I didn't. So you get, these are hot ironing measuring ruler. So these, I didn't know they came like 2 of each, but anyway, these are like if you're taking your hem up or you're pressing things, these are guides. You can fold your fabric over them and iron it into place with this inside. These are heat proof, and you have a nice curved edge here. You have rounded bits here, so it's made in a way that is useful for different things. And then there's also these ones, like looks like a pocket guide there. So, you know, nice curved edges, nice small straight edges. So they're going to be very handy. I've kind of wanted these for a while. I've seen them around. So I'm very pleased with that, and it'll be fun to play with. So that, they all came together as one item. And then the next thing I got is this. And this is a D-shaped wooden handbag handles. Let me just open it. So you get 2, because obviously when you make a bag, they go like that, and you open it like that. And they're wood, and they have a lovely leaf design on them. So I'm very happy with those. So I've got those, and then not lastly, but I also got, oh my goodness, look at this. These are round bamboo bag handles, and there are 6 in the packet. So you get 3 different sizes. So that's one, and that's the other, and that's the larger one. And these are also for handbags, you know, the granny style. What do they call it? Granny chic. But I also, on Pinterest, I saw you can, you know, you can make it like that. You don't just have to have one handle. You could make it with 2 handles like that, and that kind of caught my eye. So they will be fun to play with this month. Can you see where I'm going with this? And then lastly, I got some fabric. I got 2 packs of the same. So we'll just open one. I'm thinking they've got the same fabrics inside, although it does sort of say mixed colour, but I would probably think mixed colour as in the packs will all be the same. You see, I have my dressing gown on. when I made this, I was quite happy with the quality of the fabric that I got from Beebeecraft. And these measure 50 centimetres by 40 centimetres. Now, let's use one about, we'll see what that is in inches. Okay, so 16 inches by about 20 inches, or 19.5 inches. Each piece measures, and there are 6 pieces in each set. So let's have a look at the patterns. That one. Like that. I think that was it. One more facing the opposite way, that one there. So they're very nice, very nice. So I think you can probably guess I'm going to be making a couple of handbags this month. And I'm going to be using these fabrics, and I'm going to be using these items that I received to make them with. So this should be fun. I have made a couple of handbags over the years in different styles. I've never made one using these types of handles. That one there. So we'll learn together, shall we? Shouldn't be too hard, I hope. So thank you so much for watching today, and thank you Beebeecraft for these wonderful items, and I hope you join me when I put up some tutorials on making handbags. So take care everybody. Bye.